Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is an appam recipe. Now I've made plain appams. Today I thought I'll show you how to make Muttai Appam two ways. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. This is raw rice that's been soaking 4 hours. You can see the beaten rice. Add that, add a little salt and grind. Add a little water. Once the batter is ready for the appam, leave it out to ferment for at least a minimum 12 hours. Now before I make the appams, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut paste, and you can also add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda or baking soda prior to making the appams. That is optional. Leave it for 10 minutes and then you can make your appams. Grease the appam skillet with some oil and make sure it is hot enough before pouring in the batter. Pour in the batter and turn the appam skillet till the batter fully covers it. Wait for a couple of seconds and crack open an egg in the middle. Now close and cook the appam. Oh wow, the egg appam is cooked beautifully. The appam has a golden brown color to it and the egg is still soft in the center. You can serve it nice and hot. Now let's make another variation. This is curry egg appam or curry Muttai Appam. Crack open an egg in a bowl. Add 4 teaspoons of chicken gravy or any other gravy of your choice. Now mix it well. Keep this aside. Pour a ladle of the appam batter and swirl it around. Pour in the egg mixture and spread it. Close and cook the appam. Leave it there for about 2 minutes. Now let's check on the appam. This looks amazing and I can't wait to bite into this. So you've seen 2 different variations of the Muttai Appam. One is the plain and the other one is the curry Muttai Appam. So you've seen how simple this is. So do try and enjoy these recipes. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.